We are Pentagon.
Pentagon leads the way in manufacturing rolling shutters, retractable screens, and premium closure solutions. Pentagon's wide range of options will provide you with the benefits you truly deserve.
At Pentagon, our vision is to provide the best and most reliable protection solutions in every city across North America. We work together with dealers, architects, and national accounts to deliver superior support and customized solutions.
At Pentagon, we love winning, and we like to share that success with our dealers and partners. Our core values are winning together, going the extra mile, caring deeply, being courageous, and always being agile.
At Pentagon, we have an extensive dealer network across North America. We value our dealers and we thank them for the shared success we've achieved together. We also collaborate with world-class architects and partner with national accounts across the United States and Canada, providing them with our premium products and project management while bringing installation opportunities to local dealers. It's win, win, win.
The Pentagon team is proud to be the industry-leading manufacturer. We strive to provide you with
quick quotes,
quality products,
short lead times,
stress-free shipping,
strong packaging,
online quoting and ordering,
wide range of product options,
superior customer service,
product training, and so much more.
Pentagon has been at the forefront of the industry for over 45 years. Founded in 1979, we are proud to share over 130 years of combined industry experience as a family-owned company. Join us at Pentagon in improving and protecting the lives and livelihoods across North America.